Hello guys, this is Roy from Arena Mini 4-Wheel Drive Club, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. For today's video, I would like to show you my parts case. This is the most useful parts case I've using until now. So seems like after I using this parts case, then I have never changed to others anymore. I would like to share with you how it looks like and also how big the room it has. And most important thing is this parts case is very cheap. So you can using for lots of stuff. Okay, so let's start with the video. Let's go. Okay, so here you can see it has a lot of room and you can fit lots of stuff. So for example, this one you can put it as the motor case, so it totally fit a double shaft motor, and see you can stuck over there and it's not moving easily. Okay, you can stay over here, so you just need to put the motor like that, then you can list like this. And see, I have a roller, damper, and double roller, and gear shaft, terminal, O-rings, and blah blah. And also you can using for the screws, you can see I put all the size of the screw, even though the longest one, the 14mm screws, it can still also fit in this room. And also all the spacers. And the other thing good is all the cover is all individual, so you can open like this. And then sometimes when we have this kind of case, you will scare about if the cover pop out and the stuff flew out. But this one is different because you can fold it in half and lock it. So it's very simple and secure, very safe. Okay, and next I will show you the size, how big is this parts case. Okay, let's go. Okay, so here I have a Tamiya tools box, and you can see I have a divider over here, and this case you can definitely fit inside. And let me put another one, my motor case. Okay, so you can definitely fit in here and no problem. Okay, so as you can see here, I have 3 of these cases over here, and I can guarantee you this is the most useful case I have used until now. Seems like 5 years, and I finally found the best case for me, because like I show you, you can fit a lot of stuff and you can secure all your screws, and just in case if you drop your bag or whatever, it can still secure your screws good. Because you know what happened if this dropped to the floor and everything came out, what's gonna happen. So you want to make sure you have a good case and can secure everything you have in the tools case. Okay, so if you have any question, please leave your question and comment at the bottom. I'll reply to you as soon as possible. And if you like this video, you want to see more video like this, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Alright, thank you so much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you, I'll see you next time.